Welcome. In today's video, I will be showing you how to assign a product to a store category using AdLister. Please log into AdLister and go to the Products page. Highlight the product you want to assign to a store category and click on the Actions dropdown. Once clicked on the Actions dropdown, select the option Assign to Store Category. A pop-up window will appear with a dropdown and a few buttons. Select the desired category from the drop-down and click on Assign to Category. To select a second store category, select the category from the drop-down and click on Assign to Second. After adding the store categories to a product, do not forget to revise with the Everything Else option to reflect the changes on eBay as well. I hope this video was useful in explaining how to create and apply tags to your products. If you're interested in AdLister and all its features, feel free to go over our library of videos, visit our websites in the links below, and also don't forget to like the video if you found it useful, and subscribe to our channel if you want to stay up to date with future videos. Thank you for watching.